What's up guys, me Asar Sorkar. Today we will discuss a famous drama you never can tell. This drama written by George Bernard Shaw. The life duration of George Bernard Shaw is 1856 to 1950. In this lecture we will discuss key information, character, themes and setting. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna discuss key information about the novel. The title of the novel is You Never Can Tell. Published date 1898. Genre comedy. Time setting is 1 day August in 1896. Place setting is an English seaside resort marine hotel. Guys, now we will discuss characters of the novel. First of all, Mr. Clarendon. Mr. Clarendon is the husband of Mrs. Clarendon and the father of Dolly, Phillips and Gloria. Mr. Clarendon is nearly 60 years old, an ill-tempered person in the contrast of his wife Mrs. Clarendon. The way Mr. Clarendon lead his life is not like his wife Mrs. Clarendon. For this reason, Mrs. Clarendon seeks separation from his husband. Guys, next character, Mrs. Lanfy Clarendon. Mrs. Lanfy Clarendon is the wife of Mr. Clampton and the mother of Dolly, Phillips and Gloria. Mrs. Lanfy Clarendon is called in the play Mrs. Clarendon. Mrs. Clarendon is a feminist and she believes modern philosophy and idea. The contest between her and her husband make them separate for 18 years. After the separation from her husband, she lives with his 3 children in the Marine Hotel, and Mrs. Clarendon teaches her children her own philosophy and idea. Next character, Gloria Clarendon. Gloria Clarendon is the daughter of Mrs. Clarendon and Mr. Clampton. She is 20 years old. She is a beautiful girl. Her mother, Mrs. Clarendon, teaches her modern philosophy and idea. But in the play, Gloria Clarendon disobeys his mother's philosophy and idea and falls in love with Valentine. Guys, next character, Dorothy or Dolly Clarendon. Dorothy or Dolly is the daughter of Mr. Crampton and Mrs. Clarendon. She is 18 years old and twin sister of Phillips. At the very beginning of the play, she becomes a dentist whose name is Valentine. Next character, Phillips Clarendon. Phillips Clarendon is 18 years old and twin brother of Dolly. Phillips is a young handsome man. In this play, G. Bishop presents Phillips as an observer. Next character, Walter Boone. Walter Boone is a waiter of the Marine Hotel. He is a philosopher. In this play, G. Bishop presents him as his mouthpiece. Though Walter Boone is a waiter, he makes his son, Walter Boone, as barrister. Next character, Walter Boone. Walter Boone is the son of Walter Boone. He is a professional barrister. In this play, he provides his philosophical opinion at the end of the play to reunion Mrs. Clarendon and Mr. Crampton. Guys, last character, M. Commerce. M. Commerce is a formal close friend and the suitor of Mrs. Clarendon. He comes Marine Hotel to solve the problem of Mrs. Clarendon. Guys, these are the major characters of the play You Never Can Tell. Now we will discuss themes of the play. Guys, we notice the 4 major themes in the play. First of all, love and marriage. In the play, G. Bishop expresses his anti-romantic attitude about love and marriage. G. Bishop presents marriage is the mistake and love is the genetical fact. Next theme, feminism. Feminism is the most important theme in the play You Never Can Tell. G. Bishop presents feminism by the character Mrs. Clarendon. Mrs. Clarendon wants her freedom and privacy from her husband, and he claimed that women should have equal demand in the society, state and family life. Guys, next theme, misunderstanding. Misunderstanding is the main culprit of family life. Every family needs mutual understanding. But in the play, G. Bishop presents misunderstanding in the conjugal life of Mr. Clampton and Mrs. Clarendon. So, misunderstanding, one of the themes of the play. Last themes of the play, socialism. That's enough for today. Next lecture, we will discuss summary of the play You Never Can Tell. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.